Hello, my name is Berin Riffy. This is my Sprint 3 project Spots. It's a responsive web page built using semantic HTML, CSS, and BEM methodology. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the site and I will explain how I built it. I'll also highlight a few key features that I'm proud of. This page features a header, a section with 6 photo cards, and also a footer. The cards display an image and a location name. And I also added hover states for interaction and styled everything according to a Figma design. Now I want to show you how the layout adjusts smoothly across different layout sizes, across different screen sizes. And as I adjust and resize the browser, you can see that the cards automatically rearrange themselves. There's no horizontal scrolling and everything stays aligned, readable, and responsive. It's beautiful. It works well. The card layout is done using Flexbox. Cards are placed inside a Flex container that wraps them across the rows. I've used Display Flex here, align item center, justify content space between. I've used gaps in different parts of the CSS. Let's see here. In order to space things properly and to have things aligned. In order to make the screen smaller, I have also used media queries. For example, here it has maximum width of 627 pixels. The card layout changes from horizontal rows to a single stacked column, and it helps keep the layout readable on tablets and on phones. I use the BEM methodology in order to keep everything organized. Each block has its own file in the blocks folder, as you can see here. The elements and modifiers are named clearly. And inside my HTML, you can see here, they're named clearly as well. Now moving to the fonts, I used the Poppins font from Google Fonts, and I also included system font fallbacks like Arial, sans serif, and that way if the custom font does not load, the text will still look good. Here we have right here, font family. Font family, use the regular and the medium size. All right, now moving to my HTML, I use semantic tags like header. Where's my header? Right here. Main, section, div class. I've got unordered lists. It helps to make the structure clear, and it's accessible for screen readers, and it's easy to maintain. In the index CSS, let me find that here. I imported normalized CSS first to reset the browser styles, and then the font CSS, and finally my custom block styles. And this order helps to avoid conflicts and to ensure the consistent appearance. One of my challenges, let me get back here and show you this beautiful project. One of my challenges was getting the page to stay aligned on all the screens, on all the screen sizes, and especially making sure that nothing overflowed at the small width. Another challenge was learning how to structure my files with BEM, but I really came to appreciate how clean and maintainable it makes the code. I learned a lot about layout, organization, and responsive design from this project. I really learned a lot. I studied a lot. I went back and restudied BEM methodology, um, trying to get a good grip on it before moving ahead with JavaScript. And this hands-on work helps a lot. It does the most for me, even though I have to really dig. This wraps up the second half of my walkthrough, and thank you again for watching and for the opportunity to share my work. This has been really exciting for me, even though it's been difficult being older and I didn't grow up with computers. Digging in like this has given me something to really reach for. And I'm looking forward to learning so much more and to taking on a job that includes this, hopefully. So thank you so much. I know I've said that before, but I want to thank the people that are involved, the people that go through my crazy project, the HTML, the CSS. I know it takes a lot of late nights, and I know we students come up with some crazy stuff, but thank you for your patience. And I want to move forward and get to JavaScript, so I hope this passes.